guys, I'm Samantha.
I'm Nicole.
Today we are going to be doing a makeup routine.
And I'm her victim.
I do feel like a bit of a jackass, so let's not judge everybody. Let's just play along. First, to make sure all of our excess makeup is off, I like to go in with makeup white, Neutrogena usually, but you guys know the rule.
Yeah, and we did that off camera.
Yeah. This is the primer that I like. Huge fan. This is what we go in with first. Got it on our face for the primer, and I really am a super huge fan of this stuff because sometimes I tend to go to bed without taking my makeup off, and the next morning it still looks fresh. And ta-da, we're done. I'm just kidding.
Don't I like fabulous?
Absolutely. Okay, and after I'm done with that, I actually go in with my second primer. Reason being is because it gives it that soft effect. Right, and after we get all of the primer on, usually what I do is I like to go in with my concealer. Today I'm going to use my Maybelline. Again, you guys know the rule. The eyes where it tends to get dark.
If you stay till the end of the video, you'll be in for a treat. Because we attempted to do this last night after getting pretty inebriated.
Didn't work out.
No.
But we tried, which I feel is all that matters. Okay, so after the primer and concealer is on, I really am a huge fan of this for my foundation.
And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and we might just try to recreate last night, but without us failing miserably.
Super good coverage. Alright. Then, before I put my powder on the face, I like to do the eyebrows, which today I'm going to be using a stencil, the medium arch. For my brows, I like to use the Milani. Put the stencil over her brow. Put off there. And then I'll go back in, kind of perfect it. Which concealer and this best friend for sure.
Mommy.
Good job, baby. That's my tip. After I feel like the brows are good, I then like to do the powder. Also for my highlighting and contour, we have the Kat Von D palette. Super cute. For some more highlighting, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Fabulous. You guys definitely need to invest. I'm first going to go in with my makeup, which I use the Neutrogena Mineral Shears Powder Foundation. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here. Go in for the highlight. I'm going to mix it with this Heart Candy shade right here. This is also a blush. Really like it. Actually came with Ipsy bag.
It did.
And I'm a fan. I kind of give her that little pink look. And now for the eyeshadow. This is the Milani eyeshadow palette that I use. Absolutely love it. I'm also going to go in with our Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Oh my god, and love.
And as you can hear in the background, we've got the kids running around.
You mamas know how that is.
Yes.
That one's mine. Okay, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to go under her brow line. go. Now, after we do the brow line, okay, and I'm gonna use this gold right here first
But
to do the inside of
the
her
clothes are
lid.
supposed to be.
Super, super pretty colors, you guys. I'm in love. And then with this orange shade right here, I'm gonna do the outside in the crease.
And that was my little one. Not so little.
I like to put some white on the inside of the bridge of the nose, and it kind of makes the color on the lids stand out. Alright, and then after I'm done with the lid, I like to go in with this orange and go underneath the eye. Alright, and then after I feel satisfied, which I am, I like to go in with another blush and blend that out. Okay, now we're going to do the lashes, which I like these because they have that natural look.
Yeah, we have another set, but they're
Ridiculously dramatic, which some of you might like, but
and
too
to
much.
pull off.
It's too much. Too much. Last time with mascara. Okay, now lip time. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I feel as if I need to go back in one more time with this. Can I show you guys?
So we ate the, nothing. Dad, come make her.
Okay, and this is the finishing
You
product.
gonna make her hair into
I hope you guys like us, and if so, then follow us, subscribe, and tell us what you think.
How does that one like?
Let's go.
Feeling myself, I'm 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 feeling myself.
Make sure to subscribe down below.
No.
Leave a comment.
Check it out. So far, ladies and gents, we are gonna do a makeup tutorial because we just feel as if it's about that time.
Yes.
But in the meantime, I do need you guys to subscribe
Yeah.
because we need viewers.
yes.
Because if we don't have viewers, what is the point, right?
And this is just the beginning.
They suck though.
We don't suck. This is a child talking. Who are you gonna
No,
believe?
they suck.
Anyways,
Yes.
in the meantime, I need you to watch me pluck her brows. It's fun. It's exciting.
I'm gangster though because like
Did
not
you
even
say
a
pluck
tear
or
has
fuck?
come like.
Not a tear has came,
Hey, wait a minute.
but I have pinched her
There you go.
skin 3 different times.
No, that's not.
It is unfortunate.
That's crazy.
It is unfucking fortunate.
But I'm gangster, yo.
But it is what it is. So
crazy though.
we're going to pluck her brows
Yep.
to make her look fucking fabulous.
Yeah. I ain't
The
got the
fact that my boyfriend is like up against my back right now makes me depressed because it's uncomfortable.
Mole.
He has moles on his neck. So I guess he's letting you know that.
That
These
is,
two
that
girls.
is wrong, man. That is so gross. Like, ew, he's got moles on his dick. I thought she said moles on your dick. That's what I thought she just said. I'm like, what the fuck? Did you say that?
have moles on his penis butt.
You can say penis. That's correct terminology.
Yep, it's a medical terminology.
Okay, Zach, get down.
Something else.
Are you guys gonna do your makeup or what?
She's plucking
talking
the
about my red
eyebrows.
spot?
She's getting
I'm
rid of
talking
the
about
bush.
penis.
I ain't got it. I
talking about my
ain't
red
got
spot?
a unibrow, but I
Huh?
got a little
Veins.
bushy.
Oh man.
Veins.
I'm so drunk right now.
Oh.
I'm about 7, 8 shots in.
Sucks that I'm like taking so long.
Oh no, you are good.
Should we just like make him work right now because I'm not in the mood to pluck.
I mean, it's on you. But I mean, I
Oh
don't
my
want to
God,
go to
you're
like the
plucking?
basketball
Sounds like
game
fucking,
tomorrow with
okay?
like a
Your plucking
a
sounds like
fucking
fucking.
caterpillar.
If we're recording, John,
Here.
John, if we're recording, can you please discontinue the record?
I don't want to go to the basketball game.
I don't want it to be recorded at the moment.
I don't want to.
Hi guys, we are inebriated, which is in some cases unfortunate, but in this case it's not. We are going to do a makeup tutorial, so subscribe because we need viewers.
Yes.
If we did not get viewers, then what would be the point?
Yes.
So we're gonna start out. I'm gonna start out with my primer. I'm definitely a huge fan. It's fabulous. So watch us, love us, or hate us. It would suck if you hated us, but
Yes.
anyways, we're gonna start. Okay.
And if we happen to take a shot in midstream of the video, like don't hate. We adults, we all 21.
Appreciate. So. Anyways, this, first we like to go in with the Neutrogena makeup wipes to get all that excess off, make you feel fresh.
So fresh and so clean, clean.
Yes, yes. But like I said, super good, super huge fan. It definitely keeps your makeup on for a long period of time because I don't know about you guys, you other bitches out there, but I do tend to sleep in my makeup sometimes. So then, like when I have to take my kid to school the next morning, then I have some fresh makeup on there. This primer fucking helps, and it's fabulous.
And then
So, you guys want some?
Here's
good-
alcohol.
We do drink alcohol.
we are over 21.
Would you like to cheers?
I think.
But I need you guys to continue to
wanna
watch
cheers,
this
sir?
video
I
and
need
subscribe.
to wait a minute.
Okay, yeah, because you are very.
She wants to wait a minute, therefore I'm going to as well.
Like I'm on the verge of like if I close my eyes, I'm gonna like puke.
And that's unfortunate.
And it's not pretty.
But anyways, like I said,
I
I take my kid to school in the morning and therefore I still have my excess makeup on from the night before and it's super fucking cool because of this primer, you guys, because of it.
Yeah, there you go. Definitely.
It literally looks as if
That's good.
I just did my makeup. So,
Zach, get
anyway, I'm gonna like turn it down a couple notches because I feel as if I'm like being a little dramatic and I apologize.
And if you hear any
Okay.
background noise, that's the husband's.
So, I went in with that primer and then afterwards, I really like this primer. Just to give it that soft effect, you guys know what I mean? Like, it kind of has a weird touch to it, but I like it a lot because it just makes my skin super soft throughout the day, like when I do all of my makeup. So,
You have fun, little man?
that is what I do.
Yeah, anything with satellite or anything like that?
See, like, it's kind of weird. It looks like that, but it works good. It's good shit. It is good
Got the
shit.
original Lion King on there too. The Lion King 2 is
Oh.
We're legit. We're gonna have to pause this because I'm about to throw up.
Are you kidding? You cannot be serious right now.
I'm being dead serious.
But we're gonna
It's okay. We gotta pause it. I'm legit about to throw up.
Really, you two?
She has
to throw up.